10 warning signs of ovarian cancer. Cancer of all types is a deadly disease that takes many lives every year. And in many cases, early detection is the key to a successful cure. But how do you deal with a disaster that is hard to detect from regular screening routines? The answer is knowing the warning signs. And in today's video, we will go through the apparent warning signs you should watch out for. Ovarian cancer is one of the 3 most common gynecological cancers, along with uterine and cervical cancer. But among the 3, it is the cancer of the ovaries that causes more deaths in the United States. The problem with ovarian cancer is that it is not easily detected by routine examinations of the female reproductive system. However, if you experience these early warning signs, it is best to consult with a doctor to rule out this serious disease. Following are the 10 warning signs of ovarian cancer. 1. Bloating. Bloating can be a normal part of your menstrual cycle and can be a common occurrence after eating a large heavy meal. However, if your bloating is persistent and unexplained, it could be an early warning sign of ovarian cancer. 2. Pelvic pain. Women who often experience menstrual cramps can easily ignore pelvic pain. But if the pain lasts beyond your period, or if it feels different, for example, if it is located at one side only, or if it is more painful than usual, it is a good idea to have it checked out. 3. Satiety. Many women with ovarian cancer report feeling full very quickly, even when they've barely eaten. This could be due to inflammation in the pelvic area. No matter the reason, this causes some trouble eating, which could eventually lead to malnutrition. 4. Abdominal fluid. Accumulation of fluid in the abdomen is a common symptom of ovarian cancer, and unfortunately, it is a sign that the disease has already progressed to advanced levels. Sometimes this fluid can also push into the lungs and cause some trouble breathing. 5. Weight fluctuations. Ovarian cancer can cause weight fluctuations in different ways. Many women experience fast and unintended weight loss. This often occurs as a result of having trouble eating. However, some women also experience weight gain, mostly due to fluid accumulation in the abdomen. 6. Frequent urination. Cancer in the ovaries can quickly spread and affect the pelvis. When that happens, the ureters that transport urine from the kidneys to the bladder become blocked. That affects your urine output, which leads you to visit the bathroom more often. 7. Changes in bowel habits. When you have ovarian cancer, changes in your bowel habits are likely. Some experience mild to moderate constipation, while others suffer from diarrhea. Additionally, if you notice that your stools are narrower, you might have a tumor that presses on your bowel. 8. Pain during intercourse. Any discomfort or pain during sex is something you should bring up with your doctor immediately. It can be a sign of many serious health conditions, including ovarian cancer. Women often describe it as similar to menstrual pain, but it is most commonly localized to one side. 9. Back pain. Ovarian cancer can cause different types of back pain. Most often, the pain is felt around the lower back area or even around the flank region. When you have unexplained back pain that lasts longer than a few days, make sure you consult with a medical professional right away. 10. Fatigue. Fatigue is such a common symptom that most people dismiss it as caused by stress or lack of time to rest. However, if you feel exhausted and you do not feel better after getting restful sleep, it could be a sign that cancer cells are using up your energy as they prey on your healthy cells. These 10 warning signs of ovarian cancer shouldn't be ignored. Early detection of cancer gives you access to varied and more effective treatment options. But today, only about 20% of ovarian cancers are detected during their early stages. Do not shrug off these symptoms, and make sure you consult with your doctor if you experience any of them. Following our study references we used in the creation of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.